Guys, it's Isaiah. This is my very first video, and crap. I'm gonna teach you how to make the water drop with your mouth. You can either use, hang on. You can either use a pen, or you can flick, which it really doesn't work out for me, but I do it better with a pen. Sort of. How you do it, you have to actually hollow out your mouth like this. Like that. And then you actually gotta, before you gotta blow out with your tongue, like push it forward when you go like this. Like push out. And then as soon as you push out with air, you gotta, or like that. But anyways, so that's how you do it with a pen or your finger. That's how you do the water drop when you just hit your cheek or flick your cheek. And that's how you do it.